Petalisbless here. Welcome back, my Glamsters. I'm back with another DIY, and there's the items that we have for today's DIY. So let's get started. Alright everyone, here's the items for our first DIY. These two tea light or candle holders. They go a little bigger than the tea light, which I got from the Dollar Tree. And they're so nice. They have the little gold around the rim, which is nice, painted black with the gold around the rim. A nice piece of decor for your candles. And I have some gold bling gems that I got from Michael's, and we're also going to use this gold and silver ribbon that I got from BeeBeeCraft, and we're just going to put a simple design around our candle holders. You know, sometimes you see the candle holders at Dollar Tree, they're very nice just as they are, and they just need a little bit of sprucing up to look a little nicer. Nothing too hectic, no other candle holders being added to it, just a simple decor that you add to it to glam it up just the way it is. And that's what I'm showing you to do today. So now we are placing our bling ribbon on it, and I am using the hot glue, but I am not stretching it because it is a little plastic material. So as I place the ribbon on, I just place the hot glue and just press it down exactly where it is, not to pull it. If you pull it, it will ruin the ribbon. And here is our finished look. OMG, don't they look nice? Nice and simple, because the candle holders were already nice that you get from the Dollar Tree, you know? They look okay, and you just think, maybe I could just add a little bit more to them to make them look a little glam, and that's what I'm showing you here. Yes. Pick up two nice candle holders. The Dollar Tree has lots of them. Just add a little bit more to it, and the decor looks beautiful. You don't need to add another candle holder to rise it, because you know these are cute all by themselves. And here I'm showing you with the candle inside, and which the Dollar Tree sells these candles too. Yeah, you buy the small candles and just place it inside. Look how elegant that needs. You do not need another candle holder to rise it, to make it taller or anything like that. It looks nice and elegant just as it is. Yeah. And now I'm just going to light it up for you guys to see how it looks. Oh, look at that, my Glamsters. Doesn't that look absolutely beautiful? Two nice, beautiful candle holders from the Dollar Tree. Then we just add another little elegant glam, you know, nothing too fancy, nothing too fussy. Just add something simple to it and give it a more elegant look. I think they look absolutely beautiful just as they are. And now for DIY number 2, I have these Chalkboard wood slice that I got from the Dollar Tree. And they're round slices of wood, and they have the little chalkboard pieces on both sides. The wood structure, it looks very nice, and then they have a little cord for you to hang them up, but I am going to cut off the cord because I'm not using it for that purpose. But they are very nice, and they would make a rustic look if that's what you like. But I'll be using some silver and some white paint, and I will be painting these round chalkboard pieces because I'm going to use them to make coasters. But like I said, they would make a nice rustic design if that is your style. But not for me. So now I'm going to paint this one white. I'll be painting 4 in silver and 2 in white. And now I just took one of our little coasters and I took off the round piece that's on the back of one of them. I'm going to glue it back on when I'm finished. But I just took one off so I can get the circles. And what I have here is some flexible mirror sheets that I got from Amazon. And they have a protective cover over them. And it's like peel and stick. So I'm just going to place it on the back and cut out the circles, because I want to have mirrors on top of my coasters. So it's a flexible sheet, so you can cut it because it's for crafting, and it's not a real mirror, but it's a good impression of a mirror. So I'm just going to cut out the circles that I need, which is 6 of them because I have 6 coasters. So I'm just going to hold it and cut. It may not be perfect, but it's okay. I do the best I can. And now that our wood pieces are all dry, I am just going to use some Mod Podge and some silver glitter, which I'm going to mix together and place them onto the wood part of our little circle, our little coasters that we're making. I'm also adding the silver glitter to the 2 white coasters that we painted white. And now the glitter mixture is all dry. Doesn't that look nice? And here's how it looks on the white one. And now we are going to place some mirrored sheets. Our little mirrored strips, the 5x5 mirrored strips, and I'm going to use some E6000. And we cut them into single strips, taking off the tape off the back, adding some E6000, and we're going to place them right around the outside of our coasters. Now our mirrored strips are all down. I think they look very nice. So now I am going to use some strips from our bling wrap here that I get from Totally Dazzled, and I've cut it into strips, and we're going to place it going right around our coasters. Like I told you, I love to buy the full roll of the bling wrap. That way you can cut it to any size, whatever you want for your project. I love using this. And now we are going to place our mirrored sheets onto the top of our coasters. So we're just going to take off the paper off the back because it does have a sticky layer on the back, which is not too strong. So I'm going to use some E6000 and a bit of hot glue to glue down our mirror sheets. Now on this one, I'm just going to use some E6000 because I think I see it's lifting up where the hot glue went. So no hot glue for the second one, just the E6000. Okay, let's take off the protective strip. Yeah, you see? Yep, see the difference? Where I placed the hot glue, it's bumped, and right here there isn't. So please don't use no hot glue on these mirror strips if you're going to get some. Just use the E6000 and place it to whatever project you're putting it onto. And here is our finished look for our DIY number 2. Our Glam mirrored coasters. I love it. I absolutely love them. I love how they turned out. And these mirrored sheets really look like mirrors. It gives the effect of real mirrors, which is very nice. I love how these turned out. And I love the chalk. What was it? The wood chalk pieces. I forget the name of it now. That I got from the Dollar Tree. I love it. You know my name. My name is Petalisbless. I like to take nice things, put my own twist to them, and come up with my own designs. And I know Dollar Tree has the square coasters. They have the round coasters. But I didn't want that. I wanted something different. I was looking at coasters for years, wanting to make them, but I would want something different to add my own touch to. And when I saw these round wood pieces, I said, that's what I'm gonna use to make my coasters. And I love how they turned out. I love how the wood has different shapes. They're not all a round circle, they're just shaped different. And the texture of the wood still shows through the paint, and I love it. And you know, like I said, you could use them in the rustic style. If that is your decor, they would look absolutely beautiful with a rustic touch to it. I think they would, yes. But for me, I'm a glam girl, so the rustic look, I love it. I absolutely love it, but it's not my touch. So I added my color, my glam, my glitz to these coasters, and I love how they turned out. And they look so nice with the glass, a drinking glass, a wine glass, anything you want to place on them, because they are coasters. I think it looks absolutely beautiful with these on them. So leave me a comment down below and tell me which one of today's DIYs were your favorite, our glam candle holders or our glam coasters, or even both. Leave me a comment down below and tell me which one you liked the best. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Yes. And I hope you will hit the subscribe button and press the bell so you'll be notified every time I upload another DIY and become part of the Glamster team. Yeah. And give me a like, give me a thumbs up. And you can share the video with family and friends so they see how to make glam decor for themselves. Alright everyone, thank you once again for clicking on today's video and spending a few time with me with your tea/coffee to see our DIY that we did today. Yeah. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.